Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find your deleted photos in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your gallery. So at first, if I delete some photos, just select it and then tap on delete, then tap on move to recycle bin. Now if you want to find your deleted photos, just tap on this menu icon, then tap on recycle bin, and that's it. On the recycle bin you can find your all the deleted photos. So if you want to restore these photos, just select it and then tap on restore and then go back, and you can see it's come back again. Now if you go back, now if I open Google Photos and then delete some photos again, just select it, then tap on bin, and you can see it's deleted successfully. Now if you want to find your deleted photos on the Google Photos, just tap on collections and then tap on bin, and here it is. On the bin you can find your deleted photos. To restore these photos, just select it again, then tap on restore, then tap on allow, and then go back, then tap on photos, and here it is. And that is how you can find deleted photos in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.